Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today topic is 10 lines on Charminar. Number 1. Charminar is a historic monument of India. Number 2. It is located in Hyderabad. Number 3. Many peoples visit to see Charminar. It was built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah in 1951. The name Charminar means four towers. It served as a mosque on its upper floor. Number 7. Each corner of Charminar has a minaret. Number 8. Charminar holds a special place in history. Number 9. The monument is a popular photography spot. It has become an iconic symbol of Hyderabad. Okay, friends, comment the topic which you want. Please subscribe.